What's up, guys? So you click this video because you want to be a travel agent, right? Or maybe you are already a travel agent, right? So I'm here to tell you, listen, not all travel agents and not all host agencies are made the same, okay? So welcome back to the video. If you are a current travel agent, listen, welcome. If you're someone that wants to be a travel agent, we welcome you. We welcome you. I'm Coach Tyra. I am the owner of Mommy and We Travels, as well as the owner of Travelpreneur Dreams Agent Academy, where we train everybody, him, her, she, how to be, listen, a travel agent, okay? A trained travel agent. If this is anything janky, listen, if you want to learn how to be a travel agent without paying tons and tons and tons and thousands of dollars, listen, we're the company for you. Okay. We have several agents that have, purchased, expensive travel agent programs, 5,000, 10, and guess what? They come on back on home. They came on back on home because guess what? What you see is what you get. That's the bottom line. What you see us post over here on YouTube, this is exactly who we are. I'm not here to give you any fluff. We're not trying to just gang, a bunch of different agents. No, we want specific agents. Okay. So I'm here to tell you, listen, all travel agents and all host agencies are not created the same. All right. So let's just jump in. So I didn't create any notes or anything. I'm just going off the top of my head. So you want to be a travel agent. The very first thing that you should probably ask yourself is, am I a go-getter? Do I put stuff on a list and do I accomplish it? If you are, then guess what? You might be made to be a travel agent, okay? Somebody that, let's say somebody that doesn't, if you don't like people, we talked about this before. If you don't like people, listen, you probably won't make a good travel agent. You probably won't make a good travel agent because you're going to have tons and tons and tons of people, okay? If you are someone that loves to travel and, of course, loves to make money, then, you may make a good travel agent. On the flip side, if you're somebody that loves to travel, that does not want to put in the work, to do all of the training and to do all of the extra stuff. If you're just trying to be a travel agent to get travel agent discounts, listen, you won't make a good travel agent. Okay. Well, especially not at our agency because, I get to see what you guys do. We're not one of those mega MLMs where you just get lost in the mix. Like, no, we're personal. We're small. You can call, you can talk to me. I'm the owner. I don't care how big we get as an agency. You'll always have that capability to just pick up the phone and call me and chat and, pick my brain a little. So if you are someone that kind of wants to hide and, in the mix and, don't really want to be trained, don't really want to, do the work, nah, we're not the agency for you. Because even on an annual basis, we're checking in with our agents. We're making sure that they're up to date on this. We're making sure that they're, applying payments and, doing all things client based as a travel agent correctly. So if you are someone that wants to just completely do your own thing, doesn't want to be, monitored, on, an annual basis, at least you may not be fit to be a hosted agent. You may want to, try to see if you can, go launch your own travel agency. And it may cost some money. I'm not saying that it's impossible, but maybe check it to that. And so I'm not saying that we micromanage our people. Listen, ain't nobody got time for that. I don't have time to be micromanaging people, but I do check in with my people every year before, we renew them, before, we sign off on all of their travel agent credentials. We do make sure that they are meeting certain minimums and certain, requirements as one of our travel agents. So if you're somebody that, wants to be with an agency that doesn't care, listen, we're not for you. We care. We care about all of our agents. Okay. So I don't care what time of the day it is. If my agents need help, listen, we don't have a call center where, the phone is off or no. Call me. Call me. If I see it, I'm going to answer. Okay. So that's going to get that out of the way. All right. So let's keep going. So you want to be a travel agent. Okay. Have you thought about what you're going to sell? Think about what area you want to sell travel in. Think about that. So you want to be a travel agent. Let's see. How much time are you going to devote to your travel business? Think about that on the weekly. You can be a good travel agent. I say devote a minimum of, just a few hours of a week. I say take some of those hours and make all of your content, on your social media content or your content in general, And I'm not saying that you have to be on social media to be a good travel agent. Absolutely not. I tell everybody this story of Miss Jackie. So in July, we were in Dubai on a travel agent fam trip. And so we met this lady, Miss Jackie. She was an older lady. She knew nothing about social media. And so initially she had about 75 people that signed up for her Dubai group trip. Well, only about 55, 60 of them wound up coming. And guess what? Miss Jackie didn't use social media at all. So I'm not saying that social media is a must as a travel agent, but that's what I always describe it like this. Strangers are going to be your best friends. You're going to make more money with strangers than you do with your friends and family. Okay. So you want to be a travel agent. Let's keep thinking. Are you prepared to be consistent? If you know that you're not consistent or you don't want to be consistent, you've never been consistent, you have you don't have a care in the world about being consistent, then being a travel agent may not be for you, because people buy stuff from people that they know, like, and trust, right? Right. Are you gonna go spend two, three, four, 5, 10, 15, $20,000 on a brand that's not consistent? You go on their webpage, or you go online or the socials, and they haven't posted in months. Probably not. Like, no, look at my channel, right? You're on here watching, whether you're a current travel agent or not, like, you're on my channel watching, but we're consistent. If you go over to our websites, guess what? We're consistent. Okay. So just think about that. So if you're not willing to be consistent, then, being a travel agent may not be for you. Okay. Um, so you want to be a travel agent. Okay. Are you willing to be coachable? Okay. If you think that you know it all already and you don't have time, listen, just skip us. Skip us as a host agency, please. Because we're looking for people that are actually coachable. And I'm not saying that we know every single thing in the world, but listen, we know some stuff. And we're not about to argue with you. Listen, we not about to argue with you. We don't do that. We're professionals. Okay, so if you know that that's you, go and skip us. Like, let's just save the headache, save the you being unprofessional. Let's save that. Because listen, we don't deal with stuff like that. It's called being unprofessional, and we don't have unprofessional travel agents over here, and we'd like to keep it like that. So if you know that you're not coachable, you're not willing to at least try it. If you see something like on the checklist, to do, and you're not willing to try it, listen, that's up to you. You can't say that it didn't work. You can't say that, being a travel agent doesn't work for you, because you're not willing to do all of your due diligence and do the process. So that's something to think about. All right. So you want to be a travel agent. Let's keep this going. So you want to be a travel agent. Okay. Do you like to travel? Do you like to travel the world? What areas do you like to travel to? Are you willing to do your training? Are you willing to become a specialist in that area so that you can be more knowledgeable? Or, when you're in those areas, are you willing to do site inspections or hotel inspections, whatever you want to call them? And that's where, we meet at the hotel. You meet with the hotel manager, the sales manager, and they show you around the resort. They show you all of the nooks and crannies of, of that specific resort. Are you willing to do that? Are you willing to learn about that specific that specific destination? Think about that. Okay, just think about it. Okay, so all right, let's keep this going. So you want to be a travel agent. Let's see, what else could I say? Consistency is a must. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. I should listen. That is a complete must. Okay. And so you want to be a travel agent. Like, are you tech savvy? You don't have to be like super tech savvy, but are you willing to learn how to use different things like Canva? Are you willing to use Canva or another platform where you can make some really nice, picturesque, social media posts? People buy stuff from people that they know, like, and trust, but give them something to click on, give them something to look at, All right. So I'm trying to think. So you want to be a travel agent. Let's see. This is my last few ones. So you want to be a travel agent. Think about this. Let's go into the host agency side. So you want to be a travel agent and you're looking for a host, right? Remember this. All host agencies are not the same. Some train better in preseason. Think about that. Okay. So like I said before, I have plenty of travel agents who've taken these courses that are cost $5,000, $10,000, and they've learned stuff, but it still hasn't helped them. Okay. So just think about that. Look at the agency's training. How are they training their people? Are you learning anything from, from that person that's training? Okay. So like I said, we put everything on Front Street. So all of the trainings that you're getting here on YouTube, guess what? These are our real trainings. Okay. So what you see is what you get. I'm not here to give you any fluff. I don't have time for that. I don't have time to pretend. Listen, what you see is what you get. And, of course, more. This is just the minimum of what you're going to get. You'll get direct access to me as being a part of our host agency. So if you are a current travel agent and you're with a different host agency, and you're binge watching our videos, I'm not sure whether you're just trying to be loyal to your host or whatever you want to call it, but we're a host agency as well. And listen, we'd love to have you. What you see is what you get. And trust me, all of our videos are definitely not on YouTube, because it would not be fair to our travel agents to put everything on YouTube for the complete public. So what you see over here is absolutely what you get. So look at the training of that company. Look at what they're trying to get you to do. Are they trying to teach you how to sell travel, or are they trying to teach you how to, do other things, whether you want to call it recruiting or selling additional products that's not even travel related? Listen, I don't know, but think about that. Okay. All host agencies are not created equally. What you see over here is what you get. I actually created a video, top 10 things to ask any host agency before joining. And I'm going to actually link that as one of the playlists towards the end of this video. Okay. So, think about the commission. If you don't understand the commission split, listen, there's a bunch of different agencies that have horrible commission splits. Somebody told me they ran into an agency that had a 10% commission split. I'm just like, what? What? That's ridiculous. Meaning a 10% commission split means if your commission is $1,000, 10% of that is $100. Like, that's garbage. Don't go for it. Don't do it. Okay. So, there's so many different agencies that have different commission splits. Our personal commission splits over here is 70%, 80%, and 90% commission. So let's talk about that same $1,000. $1,000 commission split at 70% commission is $700 for you. At 80% commission is $800 for you, and at 90% commission is $900 for you. So hopefully you guys got that, how to break down the commission. If you don't, take a calculator right now and type in $1,000, and then do multiply times 0.7, which is 70%, or multiply it times 0.80, which is 80%, or multiply it by 0.90, which is 90%. Okay. So I hope that kind of sort of helps you understand the commission split and the commission breakdown just a little bit. Okay. So back to all host agencies are not, made the same, because we're not. We're totally not. Look at that video. Look at that one video that talks about the 10 questions to ask any and every host agency before you decide to join as one of their travel agents. I highly, highly recommend doing that. Okay. So let me see. Ask, could you talk to the owner? Ooh. I probably shouldn't have said that, but listen, ask them, can you talk to the owner? Who's the owner? Who can you talk to the different people, throughout the company, just ask, to see how big the company is, and, the things that you can ask them, like ask them. Look for reviews, whether it's reviews on YouTube, reviews anywhere else, ask them. All host agencies are not created the same. Let me see. Ask about your learning opportunities. Once you're done with the training, if you need a one-on-one, ask them that. If I need a one-on-one training session, what do I have to do to get a one-on-one training session about something, about your travel business? Ask them that. For us, you just schedule your appointment. Whenever I show up to an appointment for an agent, listen, I honestly don't care whether you're here for orientation or you're here for training or something else. The very first thing that I ask is, hey, are we here to complete orientation, or do you have something else to work on? It doesn't matter to me what you want to work on. Well, I mean, of course, I want you to complete your orientation and all of your checklists. But if you have a trip to work on, and you're still in the midst of trying to complete your orientation is going to help you, build that trip. But if you need something right away, listen, I'm here for that. Schedule that appointment. Okay. So hopefully this video is helping somebody. I hope it's helping somebody. Our main goal over here is to help, train. One thing our agents cannot say is that we don't train them. Listen, y'all see the training. Listen, we have trainings every Monday and every Thursday. Okay, every Thursday besides the fourth Thursday. So I'm going to sort of wrap this video up. So you want to be a travel agent. Like I said before, all travel agents and all host agencies are not made the same. Please remember that. Okay, so if you guys have ever had any interest in joining the travel industry, you've watched tons of our videos, you have watched that one video that says watch this before your info session, and you still want to become a travel agent with us, listen, everybody not for our travel agency. Okay, so if you are meeting those criterias, and that I mentioned before, listen, we welcome you. Come on in the room. Okay, come on over here. Okay, our agency memberships, they vary in range. You can, go through the process, go through the description, get all of the links, do that. But listen, set up an info session. If you want to sign up before that info session, listen, give me a call. My number is in the description. Okay, give me a call and just say, well, give me a call. If you call me and I don't answer, I may be in a Zoom like this, or I may, be on another line. Leave a message, leave a full message. Hey, my name is so-and-so. I'm looking to become a travel agent, and you said to call and talk to you. Or if you want to text me too. But listen, y'all, don't send me no hey text message, because I'm liable to text back the professional version of who this. Okay. Don't send me no hey text message. You could say, you could not just don't just send hey, just say, hey, my name is so-and-so. I watched your video. I want to become a travel agent, and you said that you had questions to ask me before becoming a travel agent. Listen, we love to speak to all of our people before they become a travel agent, to make sure that they are a good fit for our company, and to make sure that we are a good fit for you as a travel agent too. So I'm going to end this video on that. Listen, call me, text me. Everything should be in the description on how to reach us. Okay. Or you can even send an email, but you'll get a faster response if you call or text me. Okay. So I prefer a text message, because I can, reply back if I'm in the middle of something. So listen, call me, text me. Listen, I love to speak to you. So if you guys have been watching and you are not subscribed to this channel, listen, go ahead and click the button. Go ahead and click the subscribe button. We see thousands of you guys are already watching. Some of you guys are subscribers. Some of you guys are not. Either way, we're still going to release content to you. We're still going to give you all of the goods. But, in the meantime, go ahead and subscribe and turn on those notifications. Until our very next video, we will talk to you soon. Bye.